Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about 5 ways you can make money online without showing your face. So if you are somebody who you are shy, you don't really like to show your face in front of a camera, but still you want to be making money for yourself, then this is a video you should watch to the end. It's going to be a very quick one, a beginner's guide for you, showing you at least just 5 ways you can make money without showing your face on camera. This is very good for you if you are an introvert, or maybe you don't have enough budget to get your equipment. Then this is something you can actually be doing in the background. Okay, so welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Awajima Misioto. On this channel we talk about how to make money online. Talk about things you can do that help you make money and grow your business. So before we get into the video proper, just do me a favor, support this channel by liking this video and subscribing and turning on your notification bell. You do that, it's going to help you. When you do that, it's going to help you to be notified whenever I post new videos. All right, so let's quickly go into the video. Let me show you 5 ways you can make money online without showing your face. So my number 1 is freelancing. Freelancing is just you offering services to people online and they pay you for it. You can offer services like graphic design, web development, social media management on different freelancing platforms. An example of such platform is Fiverr, Upwork, and a whole lot of others. As a matter of fact, I started making money online. My first money online was made on Fiverr. Okay, and I can tell you that it is very real. It's a very good way for you to make money online for yourself without showing your face. Okay, if you want to learn how to do Fiverr, if you want to learn how to become a freelancer, there is a program for you. All right, there's a video course for you. It is not for free, but you will definitely learn how to do freelancing and how to earn money in dollars. So if you want that, go to the link in the description. You will see links to all those details. All right, so that's number 1. My number 2 is selling digital products. You can sell digital products like ebook, like templates, like courses, or stock photos, or even illustration. Now this is a very good way for you to make money online, because I have tried this also and it works. Okay, so I have been making money online from selling my courses and my ebooks online, and I can tell you this is one of the sweetest way to make money online without showing your face. The beauty of this is that you just go ahead, teach whatever you know, create whatever you know, and then put it up online and make sure that people are seeing it. Once people are seeing it, people who really need it, they will definitely make a purchase. Now, one of the platforms that I use to do this very well is SELAR. Okay, as you can see on my screen right now, you can see the screenshot of one of my payments. Okay, I can go ahead and show you different payments I've received just doing this to make money online. Okay, so you can actually sell digital products. If you want to learn more about how you can start selling digital products, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there. Okay, this is for serious persons. So if you're somebody that you don't want to spend, you are not interested in spending money, don't bother about clicking. But if you have money to invest to learn, then you can click on it. But definitely you are going to benefit a whole lot from that. So that's number 2. Number 3 is YouTube faceless content. Now, this video you are watching right now is an example of a faceless content. You're not seeing the face of the person talking, but you are hearing and you are getting value from this video. Okay, that's an example of a faceless content. As you know, you must have heard that a lot of people are making money from YouTube. That is another good way to make money online without showing your face. Now all you need to do to start the process is for you to choose a niche, choose an area you want to focus on. All right, open a YouTube channel and start creating content, start creating videos, use voiceovers, use stock images, use screen recording. Like on this video you are watching right now, I'm currently using a screen recorder and I'm using slide that was created on Canva. Very easy for me. Okay, so I'll make this video, a lot of people will see it, and then once I get monetized, YouTube will pay me. Apart from that, before I even get monetized, there are people that will say, okay, I love your content and I want to pay for maybe one of your stuffs. All right, that way I can make money. There are other ways for me to make money from YouTube faceless content. All right, but all I'm saying is you can actually do this and make money for yourself without even showing your face. And the advantage is that you don't need to go anywhere. If you are in your house and you have your smartphone and your data connection or your internet connection, you can do this and make money for yourself without showing your face. If you're getting value from this and you have not liked, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe. Okay, that is my number 3. Number 4 on my list is affiliate marketing. This is another smooth, sweet way to make money without showing your face. Okay, you can promote other people's products and earn some commissions. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. Like if you see this on your screen right now, you can see a screenshot of one of my payments. All right, that is to show you that this thing I'm talking about, it works. So I'm not just showing you something that somebody said, I'm showing you things that I've done that is real. Okay, that's why I'm showing you this screenshot. I'm showing you because it is real, and if it is working for me, it can work for you. Are you getting now? So whichever one you want to choose while you're watching this video, make your decisions. All right, you can make a lot of money from affiliate marketing without showing your face. In fact, the beauty about this is that you get paid on a weekly basis. Are you getting this now? You can get paid on a weekly basis. If you want me to teach you how affiliate marketing works, all right, go to the link in the description. Only for serious persons. Okay, that's my number 4. Number 5 right now is drop shipping. Drop shipping is another way for you to make money online. So what is drop shipping? Drop shipping is just you buying and selling. Okay, buying and selling. But the thing is that you don't have to be fully physically involved in the transaction. Are you getting it now? You can buy things for cheap and help people to supply it to wherever the buyer is. So that is what drop shipping is all about. You can buy through Shopify, or you can buy through WooCommerce, or maybe you can buy through your local suppliers. Are you getting now? You can sell hot products to people without showing your face. This is the beauty of this business. If you do this business very well, you could be making, let's say, up to 100k in a day. All right, if you are in Nigeria, and I'm talking about 100,000 naira in a day. If you are outside Nigeria, depending on your currency, let's use the dollar, you could be making $100 depending on how well you can deliver in a day. Are you getting now? So this business is very lucrative. So these are 5 ways to make money online without showing your face. If you want to learn any of these businesses that I've just mentioned, you can go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, or you can go to the link in the description. I'll drop all the important links that you need to get through to learn more about all of these business, depending on the one you have chosen. Okay, so that's all I'll take for this video. I believe you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. All right, also, if there is any video you want me to make, drop it in the comment section. Right, if I get enough comments on one particular topic, then I'll go ahead and create the video for it. Okay, thank you very much for sticking around. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.